again, work. So in terms of electricity, that is the energy that we need for the charges to move. Okay, so that is in joule. That's the unit of measure. And then since force is in Newton, S distance is in meters, so 1 Newton meter is equivalent to 1 joule. Okay, so let's have our example. Not yet. So power. So what is power? So power, um, that is the rate of doing work, or it is the rate at which energy is being transferred. Okay, so since we are talking about work, so um, given that we have work and time, for us to determine power, that is work over time. Okay, so power in watt is equal to work in joule, to energy in joule, dividing that by time in second. Okay, so again, clearly stated here that 1 joule over second is 1 watt. Okay, so again, if you encounter problems related to this one, and then the given time is in minutes, days, hours, so you need to convert that into seconds because watt is equivalent to joule over second. Okay? So, pag may nakasalubong tayong problem, matik, convert agad natin kung hindi naka-second. Okay? Therefore, if we are to determine work in terms of power and time, so that is the product of power and time. So here, joule is equal to watt multiplied by second. Okay? P is equal to W over T, where W is equal to PT. Now, if we are looking for time, from this equation, W is equal to PT. From that equation, let's divide both sides by power P. To cancel this out, therefore, time is equal to work over power. Meaning, second is equal to joule over watt. Joule over watt is second. Okay po. So, kindly note of that equation. Okay? So, let us proceed to the sample problem here, where we have a portable machine that requires a force of 200 newtons to move it. How much work is done if the machine is moved 20 meters, and what average power is utilized if the movement takes 25 seconds? So what are the given parameters here? So given, we have a force of 200 newtons. We have a distance of 20 meters. We have time of 25 seconds. Force, distance, time. Okay. Now, what is required? What is unknown? Or what are the unknown parameters? How much work is done? What is the average power? Therefore, we are looking for W and P. So, how can we determine our work and power? So, solution. So, we need to determine first our work, because the work can be used to determine power. Ano po? So, hanapin muna natin yung work kasi gagamitin natin yung work na yon para mahanap naman yung power. Okay? So, work, that is FD, force times distance. So, are they in their standard unit? Yes po, because they are in newtons and meter. Okay? So, just substitute 200 newtons, 20 meters. Therefore, work is 4,000 joules. Now, what average power is utilized? So, to determine power, that is work over time. Work is 4,000 joule. Time is 25 seconds. Therefore, power is equal to 100. So, kindly check 160 watts. And then, box your final answer. Okay? So, any questions for problem 7? So, may questions po. So, none? Okay? So, before we proceed to the next slide, for a while po muna. Okay? Wait lang po.